Content is being made each and everywhere in the world, but we have never seen a serious content being made. Khathesi, welcome to our episode. Khonapho sizabe sikhuluma khona about issues affecting the community of Phumula. Bulawayo, Zimbabwe, Mhlaba wonke, how are you? Makhadini, linjani? Mina nginguTafatswa Ncube, and we are going to talk of issues which are being buried, our community, of the society, making decisions of abantwana abatsha abancane abadala and kuruina impilo zabo here and there okunye kwenza impilo zabo zibe ngcono. Asiza ukuthi ama topics lawa yiwaphi.
Drug and substance abuse. What causes people to take drugs and what are the effects of that?
What pollutes our water? We know pollute our environment yet.
Diploma and yet digital skills.
We're also going to be covering on teenage pregnancy and how it affects umphakathi wethu.
We are also going to talk about HIV and AIDS and how it affects umphakathi wethu.
Alright guys, me and Aveda, I'm all about bringing the vibes to the streets. You know it, guys, I also advocate for mental health. You know, abantu abaningi, they think mental health is this disease, yamakhiwa and all. But we're here to talk about that. Catch us weekly, guys. We'll see you then.
Unprotected sex and iko kokuthi sometimes wangwana wakapinda mu relationship yabauzani chokwadi uthi nina HIV positive.
Alright, yo, Street Vibes is the name of the game, you already know. Okay, we're out here at Phumula again, bringing the vibes to the streets, right?
Oh yeah.
So khuluma ngama causes.
Yeah.
Our HIV, yeah?
HIV, yes.
Okay, so sesingena phakathi.
Yeah, sesihamba and guys, I know ukuthi into ze HIV is hard to talk about it, but asazi ukuthi abantu bazathini. They're going to allow us ukuthi sibabuze senze njani, but we don't know. We're just hopeful and so siya khona guys.
With respect.
Sure.
See you then.
Salbanani?
Yebo linjani?
Siyaphila, ngihamba lo namhla.
Umayikiki.
Okay, so Maikiki ucabanga ukuthi into ezenza i-HIV bilokhu igcwala ephumula yikweni.
Unprotected sex and iko kokuthi sometimes wangwana wakapinda mu relationship yabauzani chokwadi uthi nina HIV positive. I think into zimwe zvinhu kukonzera. Zvakanyanya.
Okay.
Plus andikunoona kuti for example kune vamwe vana vekuti anenge akazvarwa ari HIV positive. Then kuti achizoudza partner yake semwana anenge achinyara. Saka ndoona sekuti pa unprotected sex ipapa ndo pari kunyanya kuti HIV inyanya.
So vanhu kuphumula vafari kushandisa ma condom.
Ndo pane cause papa ndo pandoona sekuti ndo pane nyaya.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you too.
So ubone ngani imbangela ukuthi HIV igcwale ephumula yikweni.
Yikungaprotect ungasebenzisi ama condom. Two ukuthi njokuthi endaweni lapha sibe lo girl meboy 1 bebe adliwa abafana mebaba yi5.
Okay. Okay. So ebafa emkazani lo abantu babengaprotect bengena nje.
Babengaprotect vele babe bengena kuphela.
Oh okay. So
lapho nokho emabhawo sisibe emabhawo yibaba khozayo abaspreader. So fanele uzibambe lapho.
All right. So singathi kuphela sisibe emabhawo baba le problem kumbe lathi njengamadoda
that asizibambi. That asizibambi.
All right. Okay.
So siya ukuzibamba kwakho. That asizibambi.
All right. Hayi ngiyabona ngani imbangela into esenza ukuthi HIV bilokhu igcwala lapha ephumula yikweni. Ubone ngani yikho kusenza ukuthi njengabantu abatsha sibe lokho sithelelana igcwala yikweni.
I think like sengikhulumela mina labafowethu. I think utshwala.
Okay.
Utshwala into nganimele yehlisa ukunatha because nxa unganathana hayi ukuzicontrola.
Right. So lapha kunatheni umuntu yabengasanjani kuyabe sokwesenza sokuzenzakalela ohamba njani kwampane kunatheni.
Ngisoze ngikhulumela abanye. But like nxa susenza leyo into hayi awukhona ukuzicontrola bese lotshwala sokusekhanda. Hayi I think utshwala kumele uyehlise ngalelo
Okay. So, like, talking about HIV has never been an easiest thing for community, especially ePhumula. People are not open. Bulawayo Mohle, do you think ukuthi is it okay ukuthi space lokho esikhamba around talking about HIV? Is it something also kufuze space sikhuluma ngayo in the open or yinto kufuze siyalilokho igqitsheliwe? Nxa kade sikhuluma labantu, they showed us ukuthi ama causes, they know ukuthi what is causing HIV, but ukuthi khona really okuvimba umuntu ukuthi ekwanise ukuzivimbela kumbe ukuzivalela from the causes is what I don't know. Cabanga amadoda angu-5 engena inkazana eyi-1, uhamba njani Mphumulo Omuhle? Amabhawa lawa akhona, is it a good thing to us yini or it's a bad thing to us? Are they akhona yini ukuthi esikhiphe the social life happy or asesibulala the mental and the health side yethu? Asihlangane on the next topic sikhulume more about these issues. And nxa lokunye ukukhuluma ngakho guys, feel free to comment on the comment section below and like and share with others so that we reach many people and we talk about this thing. Senze ubulawa yethu ebe muhle njalo ebe clean. Sala kahle.